Material handling. It might sound like just moving boxes, but it's one of the most important aspects of how businesses operate every day. In Sabah, from the plantations of Tawau to the seafood hubs of Sandakan, small businesses rely on material handling to manage production, distribution, and storage. But the way it's done here is shaped by many local factors, including geography, access to tools, and budget constraints. And today, we will explore what material handling is and how it plays a vital role in Sabah's industry and what can be done to improve it. Material handling refers to the movement, protection, storage, and control of materials throughout manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, consumption, and even disposal. This can involve everything from manually lifting items and pushing carts to using advanced tools like forklifts, pallet jacks, and conveyor systems. It also includes how items are stored, how they are packaged, and how safely they are handled. Efficient material handling reduces cost, improves safety, and enhances productivity. It's not just about moving items, but it's about doing it smartly, safely, and efficiently.
Now moving on to the type of material handling. Material handling can be grouped into two major types, which is manual and mechanized. Manual handling is the most common in Sabah, especially in rural and small business settings. Workers lift, carry, push or pull loads by hand. It's simple, low cost, but comes with the higher risk of injury and inefficiency. Mechanized handling, on the other hand, involves in the use of machines such as forklifts, automated storage systems, and also conveyor belts. While these methods increase efficiency and safety, it requires more investment and infrastructures, which many SMEs in Sabah currently lack.
In Sabah, material handling tends to be more manual and less structured. Many industries such as agriculture, construction, seafood processing, and oil palm rely on human labor for most tasks. For instance, in smaller seafood businesses, workers may carry heavy boxes of fish by hand instead of using lift or trolleys. On plantations, workers often transport oil palm bunch using wheelbarrows or small tractor across uneven terrain. There are several reasons for this, such as limited access to modern equipment, lack of training, and challenging rural geography. As a result, productivity can be low, injuries are more common, and handling inefficiency increase operational costs.
Let's take a closer look at a few examples to understand how this plays out. In Semporna, a small seafood packaging business relies on ice to keep its product fresh. Workers lift and stack boxes manually in cold rooms, often with no handling aids. In Tawau, small oil plantation use wheelbarrows instead of conveyor belts, leading to physical strain or workers and slower harvest processing. And in Kota Kinabalu construction sites, limited lifting equipment means workers move cement bags and steel rods manually, increasing injury risk and delaying timelines. These examples show that while the work gets done, it's far from efficient or safe.
Poor material handling practices have a wide range of negative impacts. Firstly, there's the risk to workers' health. Repetitive lifting or improper posture can lead to injuries, which are common in factories and farms. Secondly, there's damage to products. Mishandled goods may break, spoil, or become contaminated, especially in sectors like food and construction. Thirdly, it leads to inefficiencies. Manual systems take more time and often require more manpower, raising labor costs. In the long run, poor handling systems hold back business growth and discourage new investment in industries that have great potential.
Okay, we continue to the possible solution for Sabah. There are ways forward even for small businesses with tight budget. Basic handling tools like trolley, carts, lift table or hand pallet jackets can significantly reduce strain on worker while improving speed. For businesses with some capital, share forklift rental system or basic conveyor belts can be introduced to reduce reliance on manual labor. Training is also essential. Workers who are trained in correct lifting techniques and handling practices can avoid injuries and work more efficiency. There is also growing government support. Agencies like SME Corp and MITI are offering grants and logistic assistance. Infrastructure projects like the Pen Borneo Highway will also improve connectivity and material movement. We continue more. Moving forward, a safer, smarter Sabah. Sabah economic potential is closely tied to how well its industry manage the operation, and material handling is at the core of that. Better handling system not only protect workers but also reduce waste, improve output, and attract new business opportunities. By investing in simple tools, encouraging training, and supporting SMEs with infrastructure and financial assistance, Sabah can raise its standard of material management significantly.
So, what we can conclude here is that material handling is not just about moving goods. It's about building safer, smarter, and more sustainable businesses in Sabah. So, let's work together to support local industries and protect the workers who keep them moving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Woo!